Lesson 7.7, Problem Solving, Combining Like Terms. Essential question. How can you use the strategy, use a model, to combine like terms? Like terms are terms that have the same variables with the same exponents. Numerical terms are also like terms. Okay, so we're looking for like terms in this lesson. So it says that like terms are terms that have the same variable. So we're going to look at this word variable. And you guys should remember that a variable is just a letter, which could be V, it could be any letter in the alphabet that we will later use to replace with a number. And that is what makes it an algebraic expression. The terms within the first algebraic expression, 5x plus 3y minus 2x, are 5x, 3y, and 2x. Because 5x and 2x both end in the variable x, these two can be combined into one term. So we would take 5x and 2x, and we're going to be putting those together in this lesson. So let's look at unlocking the problem. Baseball caps cost $9 and patches cost $4. Shipping is $8 per order. The expression 9n plus 4n plus 8 gives the cost in dollars of buying caps with patches for n players. Simplify the expression 9n plus 4n by combining like terms. Use the graphic organizer to help you solve the problem. What do I need to find? I need to simplify the expression 9n plus 4n plus 8. That is the expression. You just have to rewrite it there. What information do I need to use? Well, I need to use the like terms 9n and 4n. How will I use the information? I can use a bar model to find the sum of the like terms. Solve the problem. Draw a bar model to add 4n plus 9n. Each square represents n or 1n. That's important that we will remember later. We will refer to. Which would give us 13n altogether. Let's erase that one and rewrite it. 13n. That would be counting all 9 of these in the first term and 4 of these in the second term. All of those end in the same variable, which is n, so they can be combined to be 13n. So the model shows that 9n plus 4n equals 13n. (9n plus 4n plus 8) would be 13n plus 8, would be the complete expression. So, a simplified expression for the cost in dollars is 13n plus 8. Try another problem. Paintbrushes normally cost $5 each, but they are on sale for $1 off. A paintbrush case costs $12, so the expression 5p minus p plus 12 can be used to find the cost in dollars of buying p paintbrushes on sale plus a case for them. Simplify the expression 5p minus p plus 12 by combining like terms. Use the graphic organizer to help you solve the problem. What do I need to find? Well, I need to simplify the expression. So, okay, what do I need to find? I need to simplify the expression. What information do I need to use? Well, I need to go back in the story problem and look for the expression. Then I need to combine like terms, which are the ones that end in the same variable, which would be p. So it would be 5p and p are the like terms here. And how would I use the information? I'm going to use a bar model to find the difference. So let's solve the problem. Draw a bar model to subtract 5p and p. So let's put 5p on the top here. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This bar model would represent 5p. And we know that p here represents a paintbrush in this story problem. Okay? Then we have 1p. So now we're just going to look at our bar model, and we have 5p here at the top, and then 1p, or just p, represented in the bottom bar model. So the difference between the two would be from here to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4p. Okay? So, a simplified expression for the cost in dollars is, now we need to go back up here, look at our expression that we started with. So if we combine 5p minus p, which is what we just did here, and we ended up with 4p, then we need to add the remainder of the expression onto the end. So 4p plus 12 is the simplified expression. Number 1. Use models. Explain how the bar model shows that your answer is correct. Okay, so we have 5 squares model 5p, and 1 square models 1p, or just p. So then 5 minus 1 equals 4 for number 1. Now number 2 says, explain how you could combine like terms without without using a model. So that means you are not going to draw a picture, you're going to figure it out numerically with numbers. So you are going to add or subtract the coefficients of the like terms. Then use the sum or difference in the simplified expression. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give you an example of the sum or the difference of an expression with combining like terms. If you're finding the sum, that is a huge hint for you that you are adding. So you're adding if you're finding the sum. If you're finding the difference, that is a big, big hint that you are going to be subtracting. So you can add like terms with variables to get your simplified expression, or you can subtract getting a simplified expression. So you're going to put your algebraic expression in simplest terms before you solve. Okay, let's move on to share and show. admission cost $7 and tickets to the Mammoth exhibit cost $5. The expression 5p plus 5p, 7p plus 5p represents the cost in dollars of p people. So p stands for people. And then 7p plus 5p is going to be your expression. To visit the museum and attend the exhibit. Simplify the expression by combining like terms. First, draw a bar model to combine the like terms. So, just like our example, we're going to represent 7p. So let's make a bar model of that. We need to have 7 different sections. And all these are going to be p. Okay, that represents 7p. Then I need to have one that represents 5p. It's going to be 5. Okay, now your sign is adding, so here you're going to find the sum of the two like terms. So 7p plus 5p is 12p. So now you're going to take out, let's look back up at your regular expression that you started with. Now you're going to take out 5p and 7p and replace it with 12p. Okay? So your simplified expression for the cost in dollars is 12p. Number 2. What if the cost of tickets to the exhibit were reduced to $3? Write an expression for the new cost in dollars for p people to visit the museum and attend the exhibit. Then simplify the expression by combining like terms. Okay, let's refer back up because number 2 here still goes with our problem up here, our original problem. So, what if the cost of tickets to the exhibit were reduced to $3? Write an expression for the new cost in dollars for p people who visit the museum and attend the exhibit. So if we go back up and look at number 1, the museum admission, this is the cost to get in the doors, it's $7. The tickets to the exhibit cost $5. So this $7 here is going to remain the same because the admission price is not changing. So 7p. P stands for how many people are going to go to the museum. Plus, now instead of 5p for the cost of the exhibit previously being $5, now it's only $3. So instead of 5p, we're going to put 3p, which is going to be 10p combined. Number 3, a store receives tomatoes in boxes of 40 tomatoes each. About 4 tomatoes per box cannot be sold due to damage. The expression 40b minus 4b gives the number of tomatoes that the store can sell from a shipment of B boxes. Simplify the expression by combining like terms. Okay, so both terms end in the variable b, so they can both be combined. So what you're going to do here is you're going to do 40 minus 4. Oops. 6 and 3. So you are going to end up with 36, and then you have to put the variable on the end, which is b. 36b. Number 4. Each cheerleading uniform includes a shirt and a skirt. Shirts cost $12 each and skirts cost $18 each. The expression 12U plus 18U represents the cost in dollars of buying uniforms. Simplify the expression by combining like terms. So we are adding here, and they both end in U. So we're going to do 12 plus 18 and combine those together. So you'll get 30U as a simplified expression. Number 5. A shop sells cases holding 9 red roses and 6 white roses. The expression 9V plus 6V represents the total number of roses needed for V vases. Simplify the expression by combining like terms. They both end in V, 9V plus 6V, so we need to just do 9 plus 6, which is 15, and then we need to replace the variable on the end, 15V. On your own. Number 6. Marco received a gift card. He used it to buy 2 bike lights for $10.50 each. Then he bought a handlebar bag for $18.25. After these purchases, he had 75 cents left on the card. How much money was on the gift card when Marco received it? Number 7. Lydia collects shells. She has 24 sea snail shells, 6 conch shells, and 32 scallop shells. She wants to display the shells in equal rows, with only one type of shell in each row. What is the greatest number of shells Lydia can put in each row? Number 8. The 3 sides of a triangle measure 3x plus 6 inches, 5x inches, and 6x inches. Write an expression for the perimeter of the triangle in inches. Then simplify the expression by combining the terms. Number 9. Verify the reasoning of others. Karina states that you can simplify the expression 20x plus 4 by combining the terms to get 24x. Does Katrina's statement make sense? Explain.